guys, how you doing? This side got her. So guys, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. The last video that I did was about the lessons that I've learned in my first 2 months of being self-employed. One of them was time management. So time management is very key in this thing called self-employment, especially if you're someone who doesn't like waking up early. You need to set some things that will help you. So I'm going to share with you my morning routine. This is a video that I recorded in the last few days. It's from the moment I wake up to the moment I get to my desk to start my day. So I just hope you're going to enjoy it. Good morning. Hey guys, so it's around 6:15 and I am leaving for jogging. I'm leaving. It's a 30 minutes jogging most of it. I usually do 30 minutes in the morning. So yeah, so I'll see you in a bit. So I walk from this particular area until I get to the main road, like Langata Road. So this is just a little bit of walking and stretching my legs, and yeah, I'm usually alone on the road most of the time. So let's see. Oh yeah, my headsets are on and I'm ready to go. Almost 6:30. There's light. Yeah, and this is me. I'm super tired, but I'm going back all the way. Hey, I'm back home. I'm so tired, but yes, when I get home I get to do my workout, which I'm gonna show you just now. What's up, guys? Wow, I'm actually sweaty. So it's I'm done with my workout session in the morning. The next thing that I do after this is go shower and then spread my bed while I listen to a motivational talk from any person, at least for 10 minutes as I prepare for my, then I'll let you know after that once I'm done with my motivational part. It's been great, guys, but wow, you can also do this workout at home. So this is usually a 30 minutes session of 30 minutes workout. So yeah, so basically I do 1 hour workout, jogging 30 minutes and then this one 30 minutes. So let's say 1 hour and a few minutes, just to 1 hour and a few minutes. Yeah, it's good to start your day like this.
Overcome that fear. But the hard part is, you gotta take that first step. I am deeply motivated by fear.
The fear, by the way, is not a conspiracy. That shit is real. Everybody's like, oh, fear ain't real. Yeah, well, it's easy for you to say. You ain't got any this second.
You face your fears, you become the person you want to be.
To create fear, you have to use excessive imagination.
There's a lot of fear, but I understand what the emotion of fear is. It's a subconscious trigger that causes this feeling that I don't like. And it's a go signal for me, not a stop signal for me. Everybody doesn't win. And the sooner you wake up to that biology is ruthless, man, then you get a little fear in you. And when you get a little fear in you, you start listening. Because if you're truly afraid, you listen. Let a little fear come in and drive you and motivate you. My first time I talked, I literally went up and blanked out. If you're afraid of pull-ups, do pull-ups. If you're in squats, do squats. If you're afraid of public speaking, go speak in public. Face your fear.
I hope you enjoyed watching my morning routine, guys, and if it's something that you can do at home, feel free to do at home. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch what I'm telling you, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly press the red button. I'll really appreciate. And if you like this particular video, don't forget to share with your friend. Until next week, kisses.